Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to copy PDF files from a subdirectory, from a subfolder, and lots of different subdirectories within that, and I'm going to copy them to a backup folder here. So first of all, we call this program copy subdia files. So we need to import OS, time and the shuttle module. If you don't have the shuttle module on board, you'll have to install it through pip. Okay, so let's have a look. So here's my desktop, here's my backup folder here with nothing in it, and this is the directory here that I want to go in, and inside each one of these folders are a couple of PDF files that I want. So I want the PDF files out of every single one of these. Okay, so what we've done now, we've created a path here, input, and we'll type in the path to those subfolders and we'll change into that directory, and then we've specified the destination, which is desktop backup, and we're going to write the code now. So first of all, we're going to type the file type is equal to input, so file type, okay, and now we're going to go through it for folder, subfolders, files in os.walk, and the path that we're going to enter. And we're going to do for file in files. We're going to loop through that, and if the file ends with file type, so we're going to enter the file type in there, and my file type is going to be .pdf. So if the file ends with the file type, I'm going to use the shuttle module to copy it. Shuttle.copy os.path.join, then it's going to be folder, file, and then the destination. So we're going to copy that to that destination there, which is on the desktop, called backup. So we've got shuttle.copy ospath.join, order and file, and then we're going to type in print, and we're going to do an F string here, file copied. Or else, if that's not the case, print error copying. Right, now all we have to do is call this, so we call it by its name, subfolder copy, and we just save it. So let's have a look again. So this is the backup where I want all the PDFs to go. Let's have a look at that. We've saved it. Let's run the program. Okay, so I'm going to type in here the path that is the path. Let me just bring that down a little bit so you can see. So that is the path there. Let's hit enter. File type .pdf. Okay, it says copied, copied, copied. Let's see if that is the case. Okay, there we go, full of PDFs that we've ripped out of those subfolders. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.